For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the JBL Flip 7, a portable Bluetooth speaker that promises to deliver high-quality sound and long battery life. You're probably here because you've heard great things about this speaker, but there's one problem: it's getting harder and harder to choose between all the options out there. Every brand seems to have its own version of the best wireless speaker, making it tough to know what really works. /N. There are plenty of other speakers like JBL Flip 7 out there, but here's why this one stood out from the crowd. Waterproofing up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, a rechargeable battery that can last up to 20 hours on a single charge, and a compact design that makes it easy to take anywhere. /N. But let me ask you, have you ever used a portable speaker in water? I did with the JBL Flip 7, and guess what? It still works flawlessly even after being submerged for an extended period. /N. Therefore, if you're tired of speakers that just can't handle the outdoors, keep reading to find out why the JBL Flip 7 is a game changer. Deep dive word count 500 to 600. Let's dive deeper into what makes this speaker tick. First off, let's talk about its sound quality. With its 20-watt drivers and bass radiators, the JBL Flip 7 delivers clear and powerful audio that can easily fill a room or even several rooms with ease. /N. But here's the catch: it also has an incredible ability to block out background noise using its proprietary noise-canceling technology called JBL SoundShift. This means you can actually hear your music more clearly in loud environments, which is perfect for outdoor events like pool parties or camping trips. /N. Another great feature of this speaker is that it comes with a built-in microphone for making hands-free calls. And when connected to two devices at once, a phone and a tablet for example, you can easily switch between the two using the JBL Flip 7's intuitive controls. But don't just take my word for it, here are some key specs to keep in mind. 20-watt drivers, bass radiators, waterproofing up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, rechargeable battery that lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge, compact design, built-in microphone for making hands-free calls. Therefore, it's clear that this speaker has all the right ingredients to be the best portable Bluetooth speaker out there. But here's what you might not know: it also comes with some extra features like JBL Connect Plus, which allows multiple speakers to connect and play in sync. Resolution, word count, 400 to 500. So is the JBL Flip 7 really worth your hard-earned cash? Let me tell you, after putting this speaker through its paces, I was blown away by how well it performed. /N. From its clear sound quality to its long battery life and sleek design, this speaker checks all the right boxes. And don't even get me started on its value for money. /N. But what really sets it apart is its ability to block out background noise using JBL SoundShift technology, something I've never seen before in a portable speaker. Therefore, if you're looking for a new wireless speaker that can handle anything life throws at it, including water, then the JBL Flip 7 should be your top choice. And don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best price. /N. For under $150, this is an absolute steal, especially considering all the features you get with this speaker. /N. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take your music on the go like never before with the JBL Flip 7.